that it wasn't here before? Then why? It's far, but it's mine.
Who was I?
She chose. I remember everything.
And then, nothing.
She became the river, the wind, the choice.